Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman. What is your name? This is my day 14 of practicing American Sign Language ASL. I have learned some more signs to talk with, to use in American Sign Language. I like I like learning. I like challenges. For example, I practiced German and Korean language. I like reading books. What do you like? Do you know life is beautiful? We can collaborate with each other. We can help each other. Comment here. So this was my day 14 of practicing American Sign Language. Thank you. Jazakumullah khair.